Ahoy, hoy. Oh, I'm still going through returned instruments to me from friends of mine because I'd run out of my own Grotty guitars. So on this week's Grotty guitars is a non-Grotty guitar. This is, we think with some research, it's either late 60s or early 70s. It's called the 1971. I don't think it is, but it's the 669th one built that year. It's a Tiesco Top 20 bass. Lots of interesting things here. One rather groovy pickup. Nice bit of rosewood here. Rosewood neck. We've got this lovely thing here to hold the strings down. See a lot of these on these sort of Tiesco Arbiter guitars. We've got something missing there and we don't know what it is. It was found in a junk shop, sort of charity furniture store in Aylesbury a number of years ago. I took my friend Nick bargain shopping. I said, occasionally find guitars in these places, and I walked in and I walked right past it and he goes, what, like this bass? It's a nice short scale bass, and I bought it there and then. It is a nice short scale bass. I think it's about 32 inches looking at it. You'll see underneath, but there's a couple of little points that make it just really good. Number one is the neck. If we zoom in on it, it's what we call multi-laminate. In the modern parlance, that means people have different coloured timbers next to each other to make a pretty pattern and add a zero to the price of their guitars. They look fantastic. I'm very jealous. That's all that's coming out here. What it was here is just lots of different lamins of excellent plywood, is what we'd call it. But nobody sells plywood this good in the world now. Why is that better than normal just plain wood, Gavin? Well, because the glue is stronger than the timber, glues glue together, you will not get this neck twisting or warping at all, because it is locked against each other, each of these lamins working against and for, and it's just a superb way of building a stable, long-lasting neck. Next, it's just a rather simple one pickup, but then we've also got our ashtray bridge. Why do they call it an ashtray bridge? Well, because it looks like an ashtray when you take it off. Zoom ahead here. Zooming ahead, gone. Look what's inside the bridge. Well, it's foam, Gavin. Yes, it is. It's a foam to sort of mute the resonance of the strings, which is of the style at the time. People were muting their strings to make their basses sound bassier, get rid of the high resonance. Anyway, we'll sound check it without them, and then sound check it with, and bet you can't tell the difference because I can't. One volume, one tone. Being short scale, this is a normal scale here, this is a short scale. It's easier, of course, to fret notes. What it does for me, coming from a sort of guitarist side, is making it eminently playable. It's just fun to sit down. The frets are worn. They're very flat topped. There's no beveling on those tops at all. And you can tell why. Because it is a fun bass to play. It's got a nice sound. It's not got anything special going on here. As with every single guitar I've ever played in my life, the wiring could be looked at. But what a lovely guitar. It's superb. It's a bit like the Arbiter SG I reviewed a year ago now, probably. Yeah, a simple, well made and very effective guitar. Nothing a bit of a clean up wouldn't change. No idea what their value is now. Less now I've dropped that. So what I'll do is I'll fix it up. Until next time, thanks for watching. Subscribe there, more videos there, and watch out for the cats. Toodle pip.